Bushkill Falls is a series of 8 privately owned waterfalls, the tallest of which cascades over 100 feet, 30 meters. It is located in Lehman Township, Pennsylvania in the Pocono Mountains. There are many boardwalks and wood steps in area that would otherwise be difficult to traverse. There are several trails, ranging from easy to moderate. The Red Trail is of moderate difficulty and a bit rocky. In comparison, it is much easier than the Falls Trail at Ricketts Glen State Park. Here are some additional photos and a video of the beautiful scenery along the Red Trail.